So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the price per night filter here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Expedia app. Once that is done, either go to the bottom left, press on home, then go to stays, or press on search, and then press on stays. It's the exact same thing. Select your destination. So I'm just going to go ahead for this demonstration and press on New York, then press on search. Now if you're looking to edit the price per night filter, at the top here where it says popular, price, guest rating, etc., press on price just like this. And where it says price per night, you can make it as large or small as you're looking for. So maybe you're looking for a hotel or an option that's between $120 and let's just say $300. Once that is done, press on done right here. Now what the searches are going to be looking for are options that fit the price points that you edited on the price filter. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to edit the price per night filter here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.